Introducing the Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer, a kitchen marvel that's here to change the way you cook and eat forever. If you're tired of sacrificing flavor for health or spending hours in the kitchen, this air fryer might just be your culinary savior. Get ready for a game-changing cooking experience as we dive into the world of crispy, delicious, and healthier meals. We all love indulging in our favorite fried foods, but the guilt that follows isn't so enjoyable. Enter the Ninja Max XL Air Fryer, designed to make your guilty pleasures guilt-free. With up to 75% less fat compared to traditional deep frying, you can enjoy those crispy French fries and chicken wings without extra calories. Say goodbye to greasy, heavy meals and hello to healthier, lighter options. What sets the Ninja AF161 apart is its Max Crisp technology. It pumps out a scorching 450 degrees of superheated air, cooking your food up to 30% faster than other air fryers. The result: hotter, crispier dishes with that satisfying crunch we all crave. And the best part, you can achieve this with little to no oil. Imagine digging into perfectly crispy fries without the oiliness. It's a taste bud party. Got a family to feed or hosting a gathering? The Ninja Max XL has got you covered with its generous 5.5 quart ceramic coated non-stick basket and crisper plate. That's enough space to fit 3 pounds of French fries or chicken wings, so no one leaves the table unsatisfied. Whether it's a weeknight dinner or a weekend feast, this air fryer is your trusty sidekick. Versatility is the name of the game with the Ninja AF161. It's not just an air fryer, it's a kitchen wizard with 7 cooking programs. Max Crisp, Air Fry, Air Roast, Air Broil, Bake, Reheat, and Dehydrate. It's like having a chef in your kitchen. From crispy fried treats to succulent roasts, and even homemade dehydrated snacks, this appliance does it all. Say goodbye to multiple kitchen gadgets cluttering your countertop. The Ninja Max XL is all you need. We get it, no one wants to spend hours scrubbing pots and pans. That's why Ninja made sure that cleaning up after your culinary adventures is a breeze. The ceramic basket is non-stick and dishwasher safe, so you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time at the sink. When you bring home the Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer, you're not just getting an amazing appliance. You'll also receive a 5.5 quart non-stick basket and a chef-inspired 20-recipe book to ignite your culinary creativity. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen novice, these recipes will inspire you to whip up delicious dishes. In conclusion, the Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer is a culinary game-changer. It's the secret ingredient to healthier, crispier, and more flavorful meals. With its Max Crisp technology, XL capacity, and 7-in-1 functionality, it's the kitchen companion you've been waiting for. Say hello to guilt-free indulgence and get ready to amaze your taste buds. So why wait? Level up your cooking game with the Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer today. Your taste buds will thank you.